In this video, we're gonna discuss about the calculation of radius of Bohr atomic model. So first of all, as in the last time, we have stopped till the angular momentum. So what I did basically in the last video, we have discussed till angular momentum. So angular momentum formula was mv mvr is equal to nh over 2 pi. Okay, you all remember. If you did not watch my previous video, go and watch that, so this will be damn clear to you guys. Number one. After that, another equation was 1 upon 4 pi epsilon ze square upon r square is equal to mv square upon r. And this was what? This was the second equation. These both equation we made in last video. Okay, so here after that, first of all, we're gonna squaring the first equation. The first equation is basically, here you can see, first equation is mvr over ns 2 pi. So we're gonna square the first equation. So let me write here, squaring the equation 1. So first one equation is what? That is basically mvr is equal to nh2 pi. We're gonna square this whole equation, so that will be m square v square r square is equal to n square h square divided by 4 pi square. Okay, after squaring this, we have what? We're gonna divide it by, equation number 2. Now we have to divide this by equation number 2. Okay, so let me write here, first of all, divide by equation 2. So what was equation number 2? So let's divide that. First of all, I'm gonna write the first equation, that is n square h square over 4 pi square is equal to m square v square and r square. This equation I wrote. Now I'm gonna divide this equation by the second equation. So I'm gonna do like this, divide, and here we have another equation, that is that is mv square over r, and here we have ze square upon 4 pi epsilon r square. Okay, now let's do cutting. If anything is to be cutted, so let's cut that. Yep, here you can see v square, no, v square is cutted, r square is cutted, then we have pi and pi, 1 pi is cutted, and what else is remaining? So the remaining I'm gonna write here. Remaining is basically n square, let me change this, the remaining is basically n square h square over 1 pi, 4 is cutted, 4 cut. Here 1 pi is remaining, pi. Then what else is remaining? Here we have 1m is cutted by 1m, only 1m here is remaining. Here 1m is remaining. You can write the pi is remaining, then into this whole equation will go up, epsilon dot r square upon ze square is equal to m v square and r square. They did not cut the r square over here. Let me erase this because this is not cutted. Yep, here r square is remaining, r square, r square. Okay, so after this, here now they are going to cut this r square to r square. R square is cutted to r square. So only the thing which is remaining, and we found r. Where is r? Into r we have also here r into r. into r. Now we have to find the radius r. So r is equal to, oh sorry, square not, only r is equal to n square h square epsilon over pi, and here m is multiplied, here it will be divided by m z e square. This is the formula of radius. This is the formula of radius of an electron revolving around its circular orbit. So this is the whole method. Now I'm gonna tell you about the shortcut. Shortcut. Shortcut of this is, or in the easy way, here we're gonna do the constant and variable on the one side. So r is equal to, what is constant? We know that number of moles aren't constant, only h pi. H square is constant, epsilon is constant, pi is constant, mass is constant. Yeah, these things are constant, and e square value is constant, and remaining what isn't constant, so that will be m, not m, sorry, so that will be basically n square upon z. This both isn't constant, so this whole value of this constant is what? Whole value of this constant is basically, when you put the value of Planck's constant, epsilon, pi, mass of electron, and electron square value, you will get what? 0.53. 0.53 into n square over z m stone. So this is a simple way. Whenever you have to find the radius of anything, you gonna put this formula and it will be easy for you guys. For suppose here the question arises that find radius of 1, 2, 3 shell of hydrogen atom. Find radius of 1, 2, 3 shells of हाइड्रोजन एटम. ठीक है, हाइड्रोजन एटम का पहला, सेकंड और तीसरा शेल का हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? रेडियस. So simple formula, as I told you, gonna put that and it will be easy for you. Like that was n1, you're gonna find, sorry, r1, to find radius of the first one shell, so that is 0.53, and shell is given, that is 1 ka square over the mass of hydrogen is 1. So what we get is equal to 0.531 m stone. This is the radius of first shell. Now here the radius of second shell, r2, is equal to 0.53. The second shell is 2 square and the mass of is 1. So that will be what? That is 2.12 m stone. This is the radius of second shell. Now the radius of third shell is r3 is equal to, like this you can find the radius of all shells to 3 square upon the form, that is atomic number is 1 of hydrogen, and that is get what? 4.77 m stone. So this is the radius of third shell. By the help of this formula, I found the radius of first, second and third shell of hydrogen atom. Hopefully this is clear to you guys. Okay, so this was all about the radius of calculation. In the next video we're gonna find the velocity and energy. Bye bye.